Are you ready? This morning, ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Year 7 cohort. You can't see them, but they're out there. They're out there. Okay? And they're going to be doing multiplying and dividing negative numbers with the help of Mozart, I believe.
Yes.
Yes?
Mozart.
And this little character here, a Labubu. There he is. We've got some numbers and we're going to try and work out, we're going to try and realise the principle that is timesing and dividing with mixed numbers, negatives and positives, and general negative numbers. Okay? There are some rules. Positive multiplied or divided by a positive would be what?
Positive.
I'm going to give you I'm going to role play for you now. A positive and negative, so positive, I turn once. But if I've got two, I start positive, and I go negative, and then I come back down to positive. I move twice. Does that sort of make sense?
No.
No? Okay. Start like this, starting position. Either negative or positive, okay? One or the other, binary values, yeah? One or the other. I'm starting in a positive position, okay? If I've got only one negative, I only need to move around once. If I've got two values, I move around a second time. Basically what I'm trying to say is, if I've got two values, I move twice and I'm back in the same position. Go on, questions.
But here's an easier way. You just if the signs are the same, positive, a negative, it's gonna be a positive answer. And if there's one positive and one negative, it's gonna be a negative answer.
Beautiful, beautiful. That is probably an easy way. I was just trying to do a little bit of acting. Good. Positive plus positive is?
Positive.
Fantastic. Can you see? Let me switch hands. Negative and negative.
Positive.
Negative or positive?
Oh, positive.
Okay.
Sorry.
Positive, negative.
Negative.
Negative and positive.
Negative.
Good. Based on that there. 2 times negative 3. Now, if you wanted to, we could put positive 2 times negative 3. But if we sort of, in our minds, think that if there's no sign at all, it will always be positive. 2 times negative 3. Will it be a negative value or will it be a positive value?
Negative.
So 2 3s are?
6.
Hello. Negative?
Negative.
Perfect.
6 is still bad.
What is this?
What if I do it like that? Is that better?
Yeah.
And with the sprout on it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
It's a Labubu.
It's another Labubu. No, Labubu would be like that, wouldn't it? Okay. Negative 2 times, well, obviously 2 times 3 is 6. 2 negatives make a?
Positive.
Beautiful. We don't need to write that in. Can if you want.
No.
Okay. But we
Miss
don't.
Robert, the Ajax.
The Ajax has fallen and it's dripping. Minus 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3.
4. Minus 4.
Okay, we've only got one negative, so therefore it must be minus 4. Diddly dee.
4.
2 negatives.
4.
Okay, fantastic. 2 negatives, as we said, make a positive. Okay, based on what you've learned there, if I go, I'm just going back, I've got some notes here. If I go 2, positive 2, times positive 3, times negative 4, what do you think is going to happen
Negative
there?
24.
Why?
Hard math.
2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times minus 4 equals minus 24.
Beautiful. What? So we're saying that there. What if I do this? Negative 2 times 3 times negative 4.
24.
24.
Why?
Because 2 negatives make 1 positive.
Wonderful. What if I do this?
That
Still
is positive.
Still
No,
two.
negative.
I've got 3 negatives.
Oh no, it's negative.
Minus 2 times minus 3 based on this rule.
6
6
times minus 4
times minus 4 based on this rule
is minus 24.
equals minus 24.
Your phone's ringing.
My phone's ringing.
No,
Can't hear it.
it's fine.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Did the music help?
Yes.
Did the labubu help?
Yeah.
No.
Did the drawing of a weird thing in the 6 help?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fantastic. Year 7, it's been an absolute pleasure teaching this morning. Thank you very much. Shall we put this on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we watch this?
Yes, watch it.